Welcome back to another one, guys. Today we're going to show you the relative reference. Now there's relative reference and absolute reference. Now the two behave significantly different when you go ahead and copy them to various cells. Today we're just going to go ahead and do relative reference, and we'll do absolute reference in another video. So I have some unit cost here for these different items. Let's just go ahead and change this from 50,000 and let's just say, it's like $4,000 for grapes. We're gonna add peaches at $50 a piece. Apricots, we're gonna do $98 a piece. Dates, super cheap. Let's just go 99 a piece. Dragon fruit, let's just make it 50 bucks a piece. Now, as you can see, these values did not show up as a dollar amount like they did in 2 through 5. So there's two different ways you can do that. You can go ahead and just format Painter, hit that twice, and it'll go ahead and copy them. But if we go ahead and just undo that, we can go ahead and keep those highlighted, come over here to the number format, just click that, and go ahead and go to currency. Boom, it's done. Same thing here, we're just going to add some quantities. 50 here, we're going to go 85, 2, 3, and we're going to add some sales tax here. Just click the fill handle and it'll go ahead and automatically update that for you. Now, there's no formula there. Now we do have a formula here, and it's essentially looking at the unit cost. Well, let's just go ahead and click in the formula. It's essentially looking at unit cost times the quantity, and then it's going to times that amount by the sales tax. And then, as you can see, B2 times C2 again. Once we have the sales tax, we're going to go ahead and go and add it to the unit cost times the quantity. So that's how we end up with $12.84. So this is relative reference. We're going to go ahead and copy these, and it doesn't matter how many lines we have. As long as we click this fill handle, it's going to create the same formula, but it's going to look at those cells in each row. So if we click here, as you can see, it moved. This is row 3, so it's going to be B3, C3, and D3. That's all you see here. You can just check out a couple here. It's updated. Just check it out here. So that's really all you have to know when it comes to relative reference. It's going to update as it goes down your different rows. So leave a comment, like, subscribe. Let me know if you liked the video or not. Go ahead and click that notification bell, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.